Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT can understand your messages and respond like a real human? It may feel like magic, but it's actually built on powerful technology and massive amounts of data. Let's explore how ChatGPT really works, step by step, with clear visuals and simple explanations. ChatGPT is an advanced chatbot created by OpenAI. The name ChatGPT is short for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Chat means it's designed for conversations. Generative means it can create text. Pre-trained means it was trained in advance on massive datasets. ChatGPT learned to write by training on huge amounts of text from books, websites, articles, and more. During training, it wasn't told what each sentence meant. Instead, it simply learned to predict the next word in millions of sentences. Over time, it became very good at recognizing grammar, sentence structure, tone, and even facts just by seeing patterns in text. Before ChatGPT can process a sentence, it first breaks the input down into tokens. Tokens are smaller chunks of text, sometimes a full word, sometimes just part of a word. For example, the word hello might become. Once the input is tokenized, it's passed through a type of neural network called a transformer. Transformers are built to understand the relationship between words, no matter how far apart they are. They use something called attention mechanisms to figure out which words matter most in a sentence. This is what helps ChatGPT keep track of meaning, even in long and complex conversations. After processing the input, the model predicts the most likely next token, then the next and the next, until a full response is generated. It doesn't know the right answer. Instead, it picks the words that statistically make the most sense based on its training. That's why its responses feel fluent, even though it doesn't truly understand. When you ask ChatGPT a question, it takes your input, processes it through its model, and returns a response in just a few seconds. It's not pulling answers from a database. It's generating them on the fly, using what it learned during training. Each answer is so next time ChatGPT gives you a clever response, remember, it's all thanks to massive data, smart algorithms, and some amazing AI math. If you enjoyed this simple explanation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. We'll be back with more AI videos, explained simply for everyone.